Hello, hello, hello. This is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you receive all the information when you subscribe to my YouTube channel that is going to build your six-figure cleaning business before you even know it. That's right. Now, I had a gentleman call and he actually had received 3 contract walkthrough assignments or appointments. He was so excited. Now, he's actually one of my students, and he was excited because on our private Facebook group, there are so many individuals that wanted to know, what did he do? What did he do? What did he do? So first of all, even during this time frame, yes, you can get contracts. If he had actually 3 walkthrough appointments for next week, you can do it as well. And that is in this environment or any environment. If you put your mind to it, you can market your commercial cleaning business where you have a lot of business. So what exactly did he do that made the difference, and maybe what you're not doing and what you can implement right now? As soon as you get off from watching this YouTube video, you can implement these steps as well. So the first thing was we taught him how to market. That's right, how to actually market. So what does that look like and what does that mean? Well, step number 1, he had a website. I cannot emphasize that enough. You cannot compete in this space if you do not have a website. It can be as simple as a 1-page landing, but it should look like a website because it has all the pertinent information on what your cleaning customers, potential cleaning customers are interested when it comes to finding you and being able to communicate with you by meaning that they can actually put in their email address and get something back. So the first thing we did was we taught him how to change his lead magnet. His lead magnet was okay, but we wanted to make sure that he changed his lead magnet to do what? Remember, I always break it down into 3 areas: client attraction, client acquisition, and client retention. So we wanted him to understand what he needed to do to start doing the client attraction piece. So he changed his lead magnet. He gave them something fabulous that they couldn't wait to click onto. And then once they clicked on, he was able to start sending them email sequencing that made him look like a superstar. That's right. 6-figure cleaning business rock star. That's what he did. So by the time he got there, they were like raving fans. And that is what you need to do. You need to make sure that you bring them to your website. Then you give them something juicy that they download by giving you their email address. So in exchange, the lead magnet gives them something, they give you something. The third thing is he sent out 3 email sequencing, 1 each week. Then he had an invite to do a walkthrough. And by the time he got there, they were like, oh my God, you were the one that sent that so-and-so letter, the funny letter, the interesting letter. But he had already done the work. They were raving fans and they couldn't wait to sign the contract. If this worked for him, it will work for you. Now, of course, there's certain things you have to put in the lead magnet, and there are certain things that you need to put in the sequencing letter. And if you'd like to find out what those are, then make sure you click below so you can put in to learn how I was able to make $30,000 in my cleaning business within 60 days. Wow, I was so excited. I love teaching that, and I would love for you to learn that from me. So if that sounds like something you would love to learn, then make sure you register below. Space is limited. It's a live masterclass. Set aside about maybe 80 minutes with no distractions. Bring pen and paper. You will be able to implement these steps immediately. So if you're interested in what our student did in order to scale his business by getting 3 walkthroughs that turned into contracts, even in this environment, then click the link below to register for my Learn How I Made $30,000 in 1 month continuously in my cleaning business in 60 days. I would love to see you there. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.